Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. ODOGWU and Aisha. Aisha come down. Aisha come down. This love is sweet. Aisha it go more flashing on boy. Chai, my tamam. Aisha I promise to love you forever. We go there together. Aisha
My love,
huh?
Look at ODOGWU and Aisha. Why can't we behave like them?
How do you mean?
I mean, look at how they are playing. Why can't we be playful now? I don't know why you're too serious in life.
Ifoma, are you not the one that told me you wanted serious relationship? And I'm giving it to you now. So why are you complaining?
Hey, I meant serious relationship, not a serious man.
So you want me to be unserious with you now, Abi?
Babe, you know what I mean. I wish you could just loosen up a little.
Seriously, I do understand you. But just look at ODOGWU and Aisha. You understand? You will see that they married themselves as friends. You understand? They were friends before they get married.
So
me and you, we know that we are not friends before we get married. So the whole thing is affecting us.
So whose fault is it then? Whose fault is it? Now we are married, we can be friends. After all, some of our parents, they didn't even meet before they got married, and the relationship is still working.
So if you don't force friendship, it normally flows like that. So please, madam, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me, I beg.
I should not disturb you.
Don't disturb me.
I don't know why you're like this. You're too mean for my liking. I don't know why you're like this. Play with me. You too reduce anything from your body. Can't you see ODOGWU?
Can't you see Aisha? You don't see how slim Aisha is? I'm telling you to hit the gym. You will say no. You know,
please, I was like this when you came to meet me. And now you're telling me I should hit the gym. You don't tell me that. You told me I was your spec. Now you're telling me hit the gym.
You did not understand what I was saying then. You are my spec. No, the other room. You are my spec to the other room. When it comes to this kind of play, you are not my spec because you refuse to hit the gym. When you get to the other room, you are my spec.
I don't know why people are like this. If you know you cannot handle thick women like that, you leave us now. You leave us for people that can handle us. Now I've gotten married to you. You're telling me I should hit the gym. Please don't.
Wait till they happen now.
Which one is they arguing about, Uma?
What are they arguing about? Hey, Zanzino. Carry your woman now. Let's go and have fun, Zanzino.
My dear, please tell him.
We are here to have fun.
We have fun to shake our body.
ODOGWU, you know I'm a titled man. I'm not cut out for this kind of shy spirit.
Zanzino, we agreed that we should come for this party and then we should play and play like kids for once. If you don't do all these things now that you are young, when will you now do it?
Me, I wonder.
This thing with the love of your life now, Zanzino.
Baby, come and carry me.
I should come and carry you. As Keke, as Caterpillar that I used to carry things that I abandoned.
How about Zanzino? Why you talk like this? Make you carry your madam, we will jump here, we will play like you and be happy, man.
In short, anything we do, just do. Just follow us.
It's him, Jide.
ODOGWU. Just enter and eat. And then we just go loud.
ODOGWU come and again.
Go loud. Just loud.
How come I quit that?
Your hand cannot go louder.
Oba. ODOGWU, make it be only this one.
Which
one? ODOGWU, that one? ODOGWU is in there. ODOGWU is in there.
Jesus. You think they're wise?
Jesus.
You are a mumu man.
Jesus. Thank God it's a dream. What am I doing with a fat woman? Thank God it's a dream, oh. Hey, fat woman. What am I doing with a fat woman? Jesus. Hey, thank God it's a dream, oh.
Maliku, you can call it. You get a why.
love